Okay. Oop.
I see you guys typing. I've been pinged.
Okay, let's see how quick that fills up. Oh my god.
Monthly meetings. I mean, nothing to do with dev stuff, but it's a good idea.
Yep, okay, I'm just gonna launch.
So, yes.
It's already full.
Okay, someone let me on it.
There we go.
Okay. Can you scroll that or what?
Okay, there's a lot of sounds going on right now.
Kai's Discord fucked up, I think.
Why is everyone's Discord just fucking up? Okay, we're back. I think. The voice isn't working.
Okay. Can we get this on the way?
Yes. But the voice
10
widget
minutes.
isn't working either.
We have 10 minutes to finish this.
No, we can go over.
Okay, we have 3 hours to finish this.
Yes.
Is everyone ready?
Okay.
Make the updates be on the panel. Yes. The timeline which lists has been added.
There
I
is
think it needs to be more obvious as well.
there is a timeline, but it's like, so basically, oh. Look on the stream. Discord application error. Okay.
Okay.
Nice one.
Honestly, okay, I'm just gonna quit Discord Canary. Because, holy shit. There is so much Discord stuff. Okay, maybe I'm rate limiting. It's probably the cause. Okay, well, people aren't gonna be shown for this time being. Okay. So, Charlie, basically we have a Padlet that people, or assistive, or mostly assistive, and all of management can suggest stuff on for the panel. And once it gets completed, it gets moved into a category that automatically gets put out onto the homepage of the staff panel. That it's not good because it's sort of in like a suggestion content format, but it kind of like allows everyone to know what's been added, kind of. Alright, so that's basically, does anyone have any 3.1 suggestions for the website, not for just the panel?
Finish the thing that was supposed to be finished for version 3.
What is that? Box? Okay. So he said finish the things that need to be finished from version 3. You mean the new form? And yes. Why is like no server music? The form. Box. The CSS animation is hard, okay? Mercury tags may be deprecated, I don't know how to pronounce that, shut up. But Jack uses them on the site, so leave me alone.
Jack uses CSS animations on the site.
He used to use Mercury tags.
What, version 0.1?
Version 2.1.
It did not use Mercury tags, it still used CSS animations. We've used CSS animations since version 1.
What's wrong with Mercury tags anyway?
They're stuttery as fuck.
I like that idea.
She'll be right. and we don't really want to care about mobile stuff either. Okay, add a feature that a bot or something. So Harvey, we did discuss that, and Box said that it's the DJ's job
Yeah.
to know when you're going live.
Your responsibility to know that.
I know it's difficult to do, but a way to add queue song. But a way to add a queue of songs that listeners can see on the homepage so they can. That will be very difficult. So difficult, Lolo.
Brief description of our set idea.
Yes, Phoenix, I'm sorry, but the Discord thing is erroring. It's not my fault. No one cares about mobile, Liam. Add a feature for the, yeah, already done that. But you have people like me who put song on opposite deck 10 seconds before current song ends. What do you mean, Ben? Ben, explain, go.
It was a joke.
Right, bye.
I think I know what you were saying.
Come Ashley can talk, no. Have a section for a brief description. Okay, I want to talk about that. So, basically, DJ Says is literally that, Lola, but so DJ Says was in version 1, or I think version 1, but it got removed.
Version 1 and version 2.
It got
DJ
removed.
says what has been around in version 1, 1.1, and
I
version 2.
don't.
They've removed in 2.1.
Okay, cool. What he said.
I have to. Okay, next.
So it got removed because people. Box.
Fox.
Thank you. It got removed because people abused it with characters, and that's not okay.
You did say there was a way to solve that, right?
So basically, we have two methods of doing the DJ says again. We rebrand it and call it slot descriptions, and you basically like set a slot to a description, and then people can see what that slot's going to be about ahead of time. Or we can do more of a DJ says thing and add something to the player again that just basically says stuff. I would think that slot description would be better because
I want to bring back the DJ says back how it was, but we're gonna have heavy restrictions on it since you have to be like staff for 3 months, and if you abuse it, it will be disabled for your account.
so
Okay.
I think slot descriptions, Ethan. Like
I'd rather
not
that name over DJ.
yeah,
Sounds better.
DJ says kind of has a bad tone to it now because it got so wrecked.
Just rebrand it.
That's what you do. You fail a restaurant or a business, you just rebrand it. There you go. Well, radio stations don't usually do coming up next. It seems like a more TV thing. And McKinley, we have the thing on the thing there on the website, so it'll be pretty good. Maybe if you hover over one of those, it will show something, or we can add a sort of like a little button. Yes, it would be possible. Lolo. Some of us DJs don't queue songs until the last minute, so
Actually, what with you said,
we
a
don't.
good idea would be that it's not always displaying it. And Chesa, if you get what I mean.
So
where it's an optional thing, you don't always have to list what songs you're playing. So anyone will be able to do it.
that's just going to be really hard though, because then people are going to forget and it's going to get really annoying. I mean, I don't think Sam outputs the next songs or the next queued songs. I think that's only a shoutcast thing, and we use Icecast, so rip. Yep. Anyway. Okay, cool. Okay, so that's basically everything done. We got a lot of shit there, which is quite nice. I'm hearing a lot of sounds putting me off. I will post the whole list soon. But yeah, that's it. Any last things? Send them in now. You have 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
Chesa, are we gonna use the questions thing?
Yes, I'm doing that next. Okay,
Okay.
something on the website that tells people who have liked the show so far. Okay. Adding that feature to adjust what song is actually playing on the DJ panel. Do you mean what the auto DJ is playing, Phoenix? Or you mean setting the metadata of the song? Jamie, they kind of do have that, they kind of don't. Management have that, but they don't have like a set in the back end. They only have it so it will read it on the front end.
Ethan said it's restricted, that type of thing's restricted for management anyway, so.
Because that can get abused heavily. Okay. Phoenix and Ashley, chop. Metadata through you can change in SAM. Metadata through can change in SAM. So yeah, well, us DJs need it as it screws our shows up on certain songs. Okay, cool. Phoenix, it can just get abused, and we'd rather not have that. Okay, so that concludes that part. We have another, let's say, we'll go for another 20 minutes, and then we'll be all off. I'm sorry for going over 10 minutes, guys. But, okay, so now we're going to do the questions part of the conference, basically answering every single question you have about anything you want to know. Literally anything. No, actually, no, not everything.
Send your questions and we'll go by you one by one and we'll unmute you.
Yeah, so it's basically like voice time now. Okay.
Okay.
Just basically ask your question in dev conference, and then we'll unmute you, and you can then get the knowledge from us. Box.
Box. I can't even see the stream anymore.
Can you?
No.
What does it show?
I'm watching your one. It's just
Oh.
nothing. It's just constantly loading. Okay, same.
So that no one has any questions about 3.1, the staff panel, what, yeah. Except for Phoenix, who's just typing. Charlie. Okay, here we go. This is better.
Well,
Yes. Yes, Charlie. They will be coming in 3.1. Lamau, Jack just said I'm so sorry that he couldn't attend. Okay, 3.1. Let me pose some ideas for questions. If you guys are confused about anything, or if if you want to ask, again, more features if you want to.
The answer to your question, Ashley, the form is actually being merged into the main website.
Yeah, basically 3.1. Nothing's being changed until 3.1, just saying. And then everything that is being mentioned here will be in 3.1. Like, why can't we have the feature I mentioned?
Actually, if you look at some of the original advertising for version 3, it was advertised that the form would be merged with the website, but we did not finish it in time.
Registered. Certain songs don't get registered by the website. That's still a problem. For instance, I'm playing a remix and I registered as a previous song played. How the hell do I do? What about 3.1? Okay, Phoenix. So the song name shouldn't like glitch out. It should be fine. It must be a SAM problem because how it works is, so SAM passes over the song data from the current deck and then into the Upbeat audio server. Then there's a script that reads that every I think 10 seconds or something, and then it searches our database to get that song, and then if it finds the song, it will put it to the main page, and if it doesn't, it will do the Upbeat thing and just show the metadata without an album art.
And if we do not have it on file, we can actually search Spotify for it, which is what we do if we do not have it.
Will Beats.
We actually query Spotify for the album art.
Yes. Is issue.
Don't steal my job.
Too bad, I stole your job. Is the issue of max slots when you've only done one being fixed? We'll have to bring up some management people. Oh my god, Jack's here, I didn't realize. Anyway, we'll have to management people or admin people. When are we going to be lifting the ban on more than that? Because there's also the slot minimum's going back to free. We could up the max slots a day.
Heather, did you try purging the timetable week? Because that might be the problem. It still doesn't clear properly.
I thought it did.
No, I can't fix it for some reason.
Are you sure? Because it seems like it's correct.
I'd go check that table. It's probably larger, way larger than it should be right now.
Every time I've... God, I clicked on the wrong Discord.
I'm not talking about the main timetable. I'm talking about the table, timetable _week.
It's 2 to people. Okay. News resources section. What would you want on the news resources, Charlie?
How to add that as a question?
Just don't.
No, I'll just shove it there until there's a question.
My god, Navi Cat.
Okay, put it as an answer. Oops.
Heather, I'll send you an updated version of NaviCat when I get home.
I really don't like NaviCat. I'm probably gonna switch to Heady SQL.
Slots are meant
The
to...
newer version of NaviCat's way better.
Jack sent me his one. It's kind of bad.
Well, they're meant to reset at
I
as
sent
well.
Jack something different ages ago.
End the task of NaviCat. Okay. Slots reset. Yes. Charlie, we did look at even adding a plagiarism checker to the panel. It will be very complicated because it's like not just a simple thing that we can add, and to use like other services for plagiarism checkers, like query them through like APIs, and like getting the data from them, it costs a lot of money because people really hate people. So yeah, if that makes sense. It's gonna be way too complicated to add a plagiarism checker to the panel. Yes, fire chaser. So the slots reset at 9. If you do slots after 9 p.m. BST, it will get moved to the it will get moved to the next week. Needs there to triple check on how timetables resets. What do you mean, Matt? Oh, also if you want to be unmuted, tell me, and I can voice your complaint. Dyson. What is the point in booking these free slots? That's asking why. Ashley, you can voice your that yes, you're now unmuted, so you can say what you mean.
Right. So previously, I've been told that slots, if as the slots reset at 9 and they don't start again until midnight on the Monday, that the 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, and 11 o'clock slots on Sunday don't actually count towards my membership.
They-
Technically, slots don't reset.
I've been told this by a member of
Sush,
EU Radio
sush, sush, sush.
Box,
Slots don't reset at 9 anymore.
Box,
They
you need to
always
get better
reset at
internet.
12 p.m. midnight. I'm on my date. Thank you very much.
Huh?
We didn't hear the word. Okay, I'm just gonna say that what I believe happens is
They always reset at 12 p.m. midnight on every day now.
okay, so it's no longer 9 p.m. at everyone, so don't say 9 p.m. Okay,
It's been there for a while, but okay.
Matt, you're the one that told me that the 9, 10, and 11 didn't count towards my minimums on Sundays.
it's been changed.
They're not meant to, but they do because it's broken.
Everything's
Right.
broken. Okay, also, real quick, just as we finish up here, has anyone encountered any bugs on the panel or anything that shouldn't be like that? Because that can happen. Okay, what about booking advance on the slot calendar? Phoenix, that should be fine. Ashley, do not say me as the bug. Swear
I'm
to
not actually
God.
gonna say you. I found.
Okay, what about the booking advance on the slot calendar?
That should be
Is
fine.
that-
It does. It should work.
What?
Jamie. Cool. What does it say, Phoenix, when you try that book? Several people are typing. You should fix the head. What's wrong with it? Because I really don't know, and I do not keep up with slacking DJs and head DJ. Do you have any?
Can Jack say the thing? Or was it like
Jack
field?
should. Yeah, mine's open. Jack, go on the stream.
Jack, go on Chez's live thingo.
Is the other one filled out?
Yeah.
It was a moth on my lamp. Phoenix, look at James' screen.
Bob, stop.
What I mean is when I booked all my
The
5
max
slots and
slots
I
thing
did
is broken.
covers.
Yeah, we're aware of that one. Talking about
If I try to swap a slot,
slacking DJs have been fixed for a while, hasn't it?
as soon as I unbook it, won't let me book another to swap. Ashley, voice that because I can't be bothered.
You really can't be bothered trying to decipher mine. So what I mean is, when I've done 5 slots before, and I've booked my slots in advance, I then do covers, and then say Wednesday, I find that the slot on Friday I can't actually do. I want to move it to another time, but because I've already done all those covers, as soon as I unbook that one on
That's
Friday,
done on purpose.
I can't then rebook another one.
What
Because I
box
believe
then?
it counted as actual slots on purpose.
No, I'm not denying that. But what I'm saying is, when I've realised that I can't do a slot in the future, I've unbooked it to book a different one, and then it just gives me the booked max because, well, yeah.
I
There
just
isn't much we can do about that because how we count them is actually what you already have.
realized that
What
Liam is
about,
here
like,
and he's
adding
been so muted.
What about like adding a grace period? So like you unbook a slot and you've got 30 seconds to book another, and it doesn't like kind of go at you.
That gives me a headache. What do you mean, Jamie? You mean the top? Yeah, I realized that.
Fixed marquee tags.
No! You!
No, before I fire you.
Make the nuke button do something.
I'm
You
pretty
get-
sure on user stats news articles were there. I don't know what happened to them.
Box is gonna fire me over Marquee tags. Yes, that's definitely how this is gonna go down. Okay, imagine firing Chesa, yes. Make the nuke upbeat button do something. Maybe. Maybe not.
I'll make it ban Cheddar.
Yes. Can you even crash to Chrome? Alright, I've got
I'm not sure.
Charlie, you can come unmuted. Where are you? There. Voice your stuff.
Hi.
Okay, that's a
Yes.
smoker one.
Good question.
I'm not a smoker. I'm ill. Okay. Fuck off. User stats. You have recent track history,
Uh-huh.
but like, would it be nice to have articles as well on there? I don't know if there is because I'm
There
DJ
is.
and the
So
reporter.
if you're a
but
DJ,
if you're both,
yeah.
it would be nice to have like both of them on, or just have like a little clicker thing where you can
Added to
decide
the list.
track history or news articles. Kind
Okay.
of.
Yes, add it to the list. Okay, bye Charlie. Jack, if
Come
you
on,
send
article.
if your lights have a web API, I'm gonna yes. Oh my god, yes. Give me your IFTT account and I will change them. Port forward your lights. That is great. Yes. Cool. Have access to the whole staff section when post. Maybe, but like,
Whoa.
yeah. It could. Is it really necessary? Like, what are you gonna use in the contact? Doesn't contact info?
What Matt said.
Box just comes in. Just like, I swear, Boxer says that's done on purpose about 10 times now. Okay, have access to the whole staff section. Yes, 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 Jamie.
I'm just gonna paste that. Oh, I didn't see it.
Enjoy. Yes. Okay. Okay, Phoenix.
Very well.
For example, Ashley. The only thing needed. Okay.
But why do you need to see them if you're posted away? It won't change. Exactly what Matt said. I'm gonna
Alright.
start handing out freeways to everyone.
What?
Yeah, but submit special needs should be available.
Not really. Just submit it when you get back.
What Kai said.
Alright. You get posted away, you... Okay. Tyson. Okay. So that is make a merch Ben. That is good. Okay. So that is basically it. Do we have any other slides? Oh, okay. Merch. Danny. One more bug. McKinley. This is all going onto the recording. Yeah, actually, I'm pretty sure that's done on purpose because we don't want to overload Upbeat servers. I'm 16. Do I get them for free? No, Kai, you don't.
It's almost time to end this.
Finally, Christmas card. Okay. Alright, any last minute things, suggestions, anything, not much. Go ping Jack for merch, cause he's the merch person. Mobile. Liam, no one cares about mobile, okay? Jack. Okay. Staff song for Christmas. Jack, staff song. Box, how is the Upbeat app coming? Tyson?
It's coming, but it's not going to be done right now.
Tyson? Hotel Chewbacca. Okay, when can it be completed by 3.1? Acapella staff song? No.
I mean, essentially, the staff song is almost that.
Hmm.
Honestly, I feel like it's too late for a Christmas staff song because wasn't it like organized way before Christmas last time?
Hmm. I don't know. Christmas bed.
You weren't here.
Yes, we need
weren't
Christmas
here.
bed. This has just
Bring
turned
back
into
the one
like
from last
just a
year, that
meeting.
was so good.
Anyway, thank you everyone for coming. We are now done.
Management stay.
Yes, please stay. We will get new beds, Phoenix. Don't worry.
You're all gonna get yeeted out of here, by the way. Just saying.
Unless you bring
So
it
if
on
you want to go
yourself.
to a different voice chat now, you might as well.
Thank you all for coming. I'm gonna unmute everyone so we can all get our ears bursted.
Hold on.
Yeet me, daddy.
No. No. No.
Christmas jingles, not just Christmas bed, Christmas jingles.
No.
Christmas staff song. Get it done.
Get Ashley demoted by Christmas,
Get
please.
demoted.
Oh my
Can
god.
I share this photo Fran just sent me? Oh my fucking Jesus.
Hi, that's
Yeah, Randy, why are you calling a 14-year-old daddy?
Oh, one more thing I forgot to say. There should be like a
Okay, people,
regular
don't
meeting.
ping shit now.
One more thing I
Oh.
forgot to say. There should be like a regular meeting for like assistive and stuff.
Yeah, that
Deal?
was said, and yeah, I listed that.
Global Kids is the best show. We all know that.
Oh.
Monthly meeting.
What?
What the fuck, man?
I don't know. What the hell just happened there?
Wow,
And
okay.
all my points, well, my last few points, Matt kept dismissing. Screw you, Matt.
Okay. Goodbye, everyone that isn't leading.
Lol,
What the
bye.
hell did I
You
do
cannot
wrong?
delete me.
Bye.
Yes, we can.
You cannot delete me.
You
I am the chosen.
I know how I'm gonna.
Shouldn't we just go to leading?
No, because I can't go to leading.
No,
Oh, ha, I forgot about that.
okay. You've
I
had-
probably need to block other people, eh?
You forgot McKinley.
I'll get him
McKinley
in a
is now leading. Let's go.
Welcome to the team, McKinley.
minute.
Welcome to management.
No. Liam, come
Oh.
back.
Well, actually, Chezzer, if it's leading plus, then why are you here? My question.
Shut up, Leah.
Leon,
Okay,
give it to me.
moderator, no.
Moral of the story.
Fucking
There
a
we
DJ.
go. I was
No.
gonna read that. Moral of the story: you don't need to see it because you're posted away. What?
Okay,
What
bye,
is
McKinley.
Giovanni on about?
I am never going to cancel global hits. Oh. That was fun.
I'm just waiting for
Everyone can
Liam.
unmute if they want. Fuck Liam.